Here's another update on my module that I'm building, my switch module. And I have all the wires hooked up to all the switches. I have 7 of them. And I soldered them to a D-plug. This is kind of a unique way of doing this, but it will allow me to disconnect this module from the circuit board. The reason why I want to do that is because I'm going to mount my circuit board behind this board, the front panel here. And also, it's kind of a unique thing here too, is I can slide my throttle quadrant out and then slide it back in, so I can, if I have to do maintenance or anything like that, it will just, this piece will come right out, or come with the throttle quadrant. And I also, on the other end of this D-plug, I'll have 7 of these wires here. Sorry for the shakiness. And these will plug right into the circuit board. And then on the other end, just have the 2 wires. And I have them mapped out on the D-plug. So this will be switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And then on the back, it looks like this. So I know how to wire it up, and also if I have to do any maintenance in the future, I can just reference this piece of paper. So this is the update of my module. I'm going to get it installed and plugged into the back. I'm actually going to, next step is to mount the circuit board on the back, and I'll show that process too on the next update. Alright, I got all my wires hooked up, soldered, and I got my board hooked up to the back here, and this is how I have it mounted. I left some room for future boards too, like a Leo Bodner card or something like that. I may put up a overhead up here and then run the wires along this stanchion and then down and hook up to that board. But how I mounted this was I used some old computer motherboard standoffs and put it right into the wood, and it worked out well. I have my wires labeled 1 through 7. I have them running down underneath. And coming out right here is this end of the plug, D-plug, and then from the switch module down and to this plug, and I plug it in. Plugged in, easy as pie, and come into game controller settings here, and we'll see if it works. So let's see, we got switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All works. I think I'm going to replace this piece of wood with metal. I think that's my next update to this. When I'm going to do that, I don't know. It's hard to do this stuff with in the summertime. Just busy. But for now, this is how it stands, and maybe this fall I'll put in some LEDs and I can do an update then. But this is how I made my 7 toggle switch module. Thanks for watching.